Exactly. Yeah. But you only... Oh, that's bilen er stoppet. Oh, you made it. Man, I just took a shit. Oh, man, you scared the shit out of me. I'm naked. I'm completely naked. Deep Canyon Road. Deep Canyon Road. Yeah. Yeah. You know, I'm bad. You know it. Yeah, I'm bad. Yeah, I'm a bad motherfucker. I'm a lean, mean killing machine.
Oh, sorry. Jeg synes, det var røvsyg. Sådan en gang. Poleret amerikansk. Jeg synes, det var kedeligt. Altså. Men jeg vil have. Jeg er ked mig. I'm sweating like a fat man. Fucking a young woman. And you don't want to let me use your AC.
I like it.
Oh yeah, because you're a fat man. And you are fucking a young woman, I know. She's called Christina. And you fuck her. Fuck. Oh, sorry. You're gonna lose a lot of money.
I'm ready to win.
You're supposed to tell about it because you wanted to fuck.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
No, well, I wanted to fuck, yeah.
You were too cheap to spend it.
Yeah, exactly. No, I wasn't. I'm a humanitarian. Fuck you, man. I don't want to pay no money to fuck a poor lady. That's a shame, man. That's, oh no.
She gave you a big boner.
Oh yeah, she was hot, man. She was hot. She was dark. She wanted to suck my. Men jeg kan godt sige det på dansk, det kan du godt ikke på nettet. At du knippede et par luder i Las Vegas og brugte en masse penge, og så vil du bilde Christina ind, at det var på grund af bilen, og at du har brugt penge på den og slæbt væk og sådan noget. Lige så er det, fordi du har brugt pengene på at knippe 2 luder. Det må Christina ikke vide. Det er en udfordring. Prøv at lægge det på nettet, og så lad hende høre det. Du kan altid bare påstå, at jeg siger noget andet. Hun undersøger det garanteret aldrig, tror jeg. Det er nok det, man driller. Selvfølgelig skal du ikke gøre det, det kan jeg godt forstå, du ikke vil. Man vil ikke tage chancen, vel? Du kan se, hun sidder og hørt det, og sidder der og tænker, det er nu, hvis du fanger noget af det. Ludo? Is that like a whore? Oh, no. Ludo is like Ludo. I played Ludo and I lost a lot of money.